Hi. To start with, many people get confused between shipping and logistics. Well, to be clear, shipping is transportation from point A to point B, whereas logistics is defined as administering the process involved during the shipment from A to B. There are different classification of logistics. For example, like inbound logistics, which is within the organization, outbound logistics, which relates to the end customer, the third party logistics, which means outsourcing the work. There are different kinds like fourth party logistics, also distribution logistics, not the least reverse logistics, which means that the logistics work involved after sale. Well, with the market valuation of logistics industry, the global logistic market was valued at 7.6 trillion in 2017, and it is projected to reach 12.97 trillion dollars by 2027. However, with its massive size comes with massive problems. Coming to the problems involved in current era of logistics, we can take the first issue is regarding the quality of data. Well, if an organization doesn't record quality data, then it is difficult to analyze whether it made profit or a loss for a shipment. Many a times we engage third party companies for executing on behalf of parent company. However, we don't record the datas, and if we don't record the datas, then how we are going to measure the performance? Also, in the current era, there is no centralized data sharing system between the customer and shipper, which leaves everyone in blind regarding the performance. The second major topic is lack of skills. There is acute lack of good analysts and strategists in this trillion-dollar industry. There is also deficiency of a good intelligent transport management software. Well, the organization relies on good people, but people have limitations, and so does the limitation to the business. A good TMS will make the work efficient. Customer relationship through technological innovations with data, it is also not that much of developed. Less driver training, which leads to many issues. For example, due to rash driving, there is high fuel consumption. Further, there is also in the current era, there is acute shortage of drivers. There is also issue of logistics handling. While traveling from point A to point B, there are damages due to lack of training to the drivers or lack of proper skills. There is another big old issue, and that is the old business process in effect. Well, some only focus on time delivery, but now there is an acute requirement of reducing carbon dioxide emissions. So on time delivery will not give you much edge. There are problems and issues of pricing. There are also problems of not upgrading equipments. For example, if we don't upgrade our equipments, like for example the Euro 6 trucks, if we are still using the Euro 5 or Euro 4 trucks, then we are causing much emission to the environment, which causes not only damage to the health of the people, but also we have to bear much tax. Lastly, issue with the implementing of different policies like Brexit. So these are the examples of major problems in logistics industry. This is resulting in loss of millions of dollars each year. Well, the solutions are not straightforward. It shall not only take technological innovations but also require change in the way of people work. It is possible to tap into savings of thousands and millions of dollars, but it will take intelligence, adapting, and doing the right things before it is too late. Well, an effective logistics management aims to improve the efficiency of the operations, ensuring customer satisfaction and increased productivity. Well, it shall help in process optimization. However, it is not easy to achieve it, and an organization have to implement extensive automation and efficient coordination system. Referring to building blocks to effective logistics management, it involves proper planning by the planners, data automation, tech automation, right team. And what I mean by right team is the drivers and the employees who bring profit. So always have motivated people in business who drive it by getting things done. Right warehouse management. This element wherever it's applicable. And what I mean by right warehouse management is efficient operational works in warehouse. Lastly, learning from mistakes and improvising from the past, like working on cost elements. We should always investigate why there is so many expenses being incurred in a month or in a quarterly period of an year. and keep track of it. Service metrics like order accuracy, shortest path, route, and reduction in empty kilometers. Hence, these are some techniques and examples of effective logistics management. Well, the benefits are abundance. Like, for example, it shall give good data, and data is the key in this current era. Believe me, good data brings good analysis and identifying actions for the business way forward. Good data helps in preparing quality reports to the management team who can take further decisions on scaling up or scaling down the business at right time. It paves the way forward to happy drivers who are the foot soldiers of the company that bring profit like on-time delivery and saving fuel. It builds good customer relationships and helps in getting more contracts, more orders with good pay, good rate, and price hikes. A good logistics management system makes invoicing process very smooth and makes it faster. Also with CMR, imagine an eCMR in place with digital signatures. This makes invoicing faster and the company gets the money for the shipment sooner. Imagine 100 customers with different types of contracts. For lack of time, we calculate the conditions of the contract in an Excel file just to manage it and execute the invoicing process. Well, a good effective logistics management system helps in creating more generic tables or more generic models that helps in calculating the invoices faster. So here we need brains pushing towards making upgradation, automation, and implementing best practices to reduce maintenance, and further it leads to savings in cost and longevity of the trucks. Like, for example, implementing truck platooning system which saves around 2 to 5% of the fuel. Effective logistic management system also helps in making potential right decisions through forecasting.